Good afternoon. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm going to sing. I'm going to sing
Hi.
a Adele song. Oh, kapuyong ninin, kapuyong ninin. There's a fire started in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out of dark. Finally, I could see you crystal clear. Go on and sell me out in an alley ocean bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire started in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of as they keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart and soul in your hand, and you played it to the beat.
Wala.
Thank you for watching. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/BaradilyaJT.